Top 5 Best Tactical Folding Knives. 1. Kershaw Emerson Folding Knife. When choosing a tactical knife to have on you in emergency situations, the Emerson Folding Blade by Kershaw is the best tactical knife to put your money on. A wave shape feature enables the flip knife to be opened as you grab it out of your pocket for an ultra. 2. SOG Spec Arc Folding Knife. Designed to be a go-to multi-purpose tactical knife, the Spec Arc Folding Knife by SOG has your safety and convenience in mind through its superb design. The 4-inch VG10 stainless steel blade has a smooth and strong bead-blasted finish to ensure durability. 3. Spiderco Assist Folding Knife. An extremely versatile and unique-looking tactical knife from Spiderco, the Assist Folding Knife is built for high-pressure situations. From slicing through seat belts to hacking off smaller tree limbs, the patented blunt-tipped blade made from VG10. 4. Kershaw Blur Glassbreaker Folding Knife. Another American-made tactical knife option, the Blur Glassbreaker by Kershaw is ideal for hunting, fishing, camping, utility chores, and emergencies. TrackTech inserts on the handle assist in optimal grip stability regardless of rain, snow, or sunshine. 5. Gerber 06 Combat Fine Edge Folding Knife. Made at home in the USA, the 06 Fine Self-Defense Knife from Gerber is a production knife that is utility-based and built like a tank. With the option to get the blade serrated or non-serrated based on your needs, the corrosion-resistant S30V steel blade is. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.